So the first step is to remove the 7mm bolt or hex screw that's in here, and this is the factory screw. So and with that screw out, the mount comes right up. So now I'm going to apply the silicone. You can see the residue from the old stuff. I don't think it's going to hurt any, so I'm just going to leave it. Sorry if it's shaky, I'm doing it one-handed. So next I'm going to do the opposite of what we just did. There appears to be more residue than what was just there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up and then reinstall it. So this mount I got off Amazon really sucks. So if you need a little tripod for your phone, take note, don't get it. It's not like a Joby or anything great. So it's just like a $3 one or something. I guess you do pay for what you get. So I had to, because it sucks and I'm doing this one-handed, I had to go ahead and start it, get it in place. So I'm just tightening the screw back up. And that's it. Now you're done. You can put the mount arm back on, and well, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, but I took it off just so there's nothing in the way, and it's really secure now. So that's really good. That should help out a lot. So that was the reinstallation of the 67 design universal mount. They've got it in metal now, and the thing's awesome. It works so much better than when they had it in plastic, and because of the iPhone 10, I guess, being heavier than the 5, when I put the plate that comes with the mag mount, when I put the plate under a case, it doesn't stick to it. The magnetization, how about that big word, dollar word for the day? It didn't work very well, so just really didn't like it. If anyone has the JK arm and everything, and you need a mag mount, I've got one I'm not using. Just hit me up in the comments below. So as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.